Hello and welcome to Florida National University Distance Learning. Today we're going to learn how to use Blackboard. The first thing you should do is go to www.fnu.edu. Then you're going to click on Current Student. You're going to see two options, Blackboard and email. We will talk about email in the next video. First, let's talk about Blackboard. In Blackboard, you need a username and password to log in. The way to get your username is really simple. It's the student email. How do you know your student email? The first letter of your name, plus your last name, plus the last four numbers of student ID at stu.fnu.edu. For your password, a similar combination. Uppercase, the first letter of your name, 33012. That will be the zip code for the online department. 2250 in this case is my last numbers of the student ID. If you take this combination and write it right here, you will now have access. Let's try one class. If you click on your class, you will see a menu on this area and the information in the center of the web page. Let's click on announcements. When you see announcements, you will find very important information that the instructor wants to give you every week. If you go to syllabus, the instructor will make sure that you know all you need for the 8 weeks that you're going to study. Here is an example. In this course, you will see how many credits you have, if you have prerequisites, what kind of book you're going to need, the course description, objectives, and what you guys going to do week by week. Let's go to lectures. Professors like to give you folders with information per week. It's very important for you to read it in order to do your assignments in the best possible way. Who is your instructor? In this case, we can see that the instructor is Kimberly Restrepo. You have two options. You can call her or you can email her. We highly recommend you to email your professors. In assignments, you will see how the weeks works. For example, we have a week 1 quiz. How you do a quiz? Simple. Click on the quiz. Begin. Read the questions. Answer the best possible choice. Continue one by one. And then save and submit. As soon as you finish your test, you will see the results. Then you just have to click OK and go back to assignments. What other assignment do we have for this week? Let's make an example here. Our instructor wants us to go to discussion board and answer the introduction questions. We go click on discussion board, open the introductions, click on create thread, and answer the question asked by the professor. Here you have all the tools you need in order to do a good writing. For example, what is my major? Business administration. What inspires me every day? The desire to succeed. We got an error. No worries. You can fix it right there. Everything is here programmed for you. The only thing that you need to do is click on submit. Let's go back to assignments. We finished the quiz and we finished the discussion board. Our week is done. Every week you're going to have more homeworks, different challenges, and if you notice, week by week, you're gonna also have the option to see your grades. How you do that? You go to Tools, click on My Results, and look for the week that you just did. I didn't do that well, but I'm sure that you can do the 100. Now let's go to Student Resources. In Student Resources, you're gonna find certain links that you might need. For example, Blackboard support. If you need us, you just click there, scroll down, and you're going to find a full team of people ready for you guys. If you have any situation with Blackboard, call us or email us. If you need academic advisors, there is a list right here. If you need an admission advisor, there is also information about it. If you need to know the textbook that you will use, just click here and you will have the information that you need in order to purchase your book. BB Collaborate is a different tool. It's similar to Skype or FaceTime, but is made for students or instructors to have a virtual Blackboard, in this specific case, a classroom. Let me show you. Now we are logging in as a student. The room right now is empty, but if you need your professor and you send them an email asking for a session, you just have to create an appointment, let's say 8:30, and the instructor will be there for you. This is how Blackboard works, but remember, if you have a question and you want to contact us, the only thing that you need to do is click on Need Help. This will open a BB support form. You put your name, your last name, your phone number, and the information that we need to know about the situation that you have. Submit it, and we will contact you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great night.